Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Meal. I am dressed in layers, and look, I'm all cinched down around my neck. It is -9 in the middle of the 48 United States. It is so cold out. Darren has been doing all the outside stuff, in fact, taking her out. And he went to the mailbox, and this was in there. It is a Happy Mail. And I did peek inside to see who it was from because, okay, I was curious. And it is from Irene at Irene Huff's Dolly Space. If you don't watch her channel, you are missing out on a sweetheart. She has all kinds of dolls. She has higher end dolls, playline dolls, collectible dolls, and she's so kind. And at the end, she always says, and you are the only, how does it go? And only you can be you. And I always like that. This says, I saw this and thought you might like it. I am not forgetting my promise, just moving slow. Your Dolly Sis, Irene. Your Dolly Sis from Irene. Okay, it's worded funny. Your Dolly Sis Irene from Irene Huff. I'm sure they put the Irene Huff behind that. I did not peek in to see what this was. I only looked at who the gift was from. I saw that it was a pattern book. Wow, wow, this is very cool. Let me come around. These are for, it looks like 17-inch dolls. So I'm betting like your Jean dolls could be included. They're about 15. And I would say that you could work this all the way up to a 18 or 19-inch fashion doll, depending on the type. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, look at this. They even have boy doll pirates. I love pirates. Pirate outfits, steampunk hat. Oh, that's very cool. Cinderella. Oh, that is so cute. I wonder if I could take that down to a pull-up. Pull-ups are about 12 inches. So I don't know if I could do that. I bet I could. Bet I could use that fabric and work around it. Asian Splendor, rather. Grandest Lady. Dress for, oh, that's Betsy McCall. Now, wait a minute. She's not 17 inches, is she? 12 to 14, yep, I guess she is. I guess there is one that large. Oh, these are so pretty. I love these fashion dolls, these fancy fashion dolls. Go by Irene Huff's channel. I'm going to link her channel in, of course. And take a look at her dolls. You will be amazed. Irene, I cannot thank you enough. You know that I use these. And I will tell you, I do not cut these patterns. I take copy paper, lay it down, make a pattern, write all the information in, as well as where I got it, you know, the book I got it out of. And then I put those in a plastic bag and store them inside the book. Thank you, Irene. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.